Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so this is our last lecture for this module, module 4. After this, our 4 modules will be complete, and uh, 3 more modules will be remaining. Okay, और इस lecture में हम लोग एक प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन करेंगे चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म का, जो हम लास्ट लेक्चर में भी कर चुके हैं. एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी विल बी हैविंग अ क्विज सेशन. ओके, सो ओके, वी हैव 21 पीपल. हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले आप सभी को जो चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म हमने किया है वो क्लियर है,
Yes, ma'am.
सारे रूल्स. ओके, देन आज का एग्जाम्पल जो है वो हम साइड बाय साइड करेंगे. ठीक है, आई वॉन्ट रिस्पॉन्सेज फ्रॉम योर साइड. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो सबसे पहले चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म का जस्ट एज अ रिविजन, व्हाट इज द एल्गोरिदम, मेन एल्गोरिदम, that you have to find the non-terminals whatever are present there, and then you have to follow 4 steps for it, which is saying कि आपको सबसे पहले null productions which can be represented using this symbol also, null productions, epsilon productions, uh, or we also represent it with symbol sigma. Okay, so these kind of productions are removed. Step 2 is कि आपको unit productions find करनी है, and we have to eliminate those. Then we came with the mixed rules. Then we came up with the long rules. और उसके बाद जो भी grammar हमारे पास आ जाएगा, that is in the form of चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म. तो आपके लिए चलो एक क्वेश्चन है कि हम लोगों ने अलग अलग टाइप के रूल्स जो है एलिमिनेट करने के बाद एक एंड ग्रामर बनाया. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि किस टाइप का ट्री, डेरिवेशन ट्री जो है वो चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म एक्सेप्ट करता है या फिर जेनरेट करता है. किस टाइप का डेरिवेशन ट्री चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म जनरेट करेगा. Derivation tree or parsing tree, it could be any. Yes, what type of tree will that be? Binary tree, tertiary tree, quadratary tree, which one? Quickly write your answers. It's a binary tree. Yes, Ankit, correct. तो हमें हमें ये चीज पता है कि बाइनरी ट्री आएंगे. तो एक बाइनरी ट्री वाले पॉइंट से हमें एक और चीज पता चलती है कि, और इस चीज से भी जिस तरीके से हम लोग कन्वर्जन्स कर रहे हैं, कि अगर सपोज आपके पास एक ग्रामर लिखा हुआ आ जाए, सपोज दिस इज वन फॉर्म ऑफ ग्रामर and another form of grammar is, I have just taken some random symbols. Okay, मेरे पास इस तरीके के 2 grammars हैं. This is grammar 1 and this is grammar 2. अब आप मुझे क्या सिर्फ simply by viewing this can you tell that which one is in the Chomsky normal form? Which of these grammars is in Chomsky normal form? One way is just to remember this thing that whenever you are going to derive any string from this grammar, it should always create binary tree. So try to just derivate it and tell me that which of these grammar is in Chomsky normal form. Okay, yes, anyone? Okay, let me just try to explain it more. अगर अब मुझे इसका डेरिवेशन करना है, that means always start from the starting symbol which is s. s से start किया. Next thing is कि s को अब आपको derive करते हुए branches बनानी है जो भी s का substitute आपको given है. So s का substitute मुझे given है that one side is a and another side is b. उसके बाद suppose I have changed this a to a and okay, no more rules are given, so this is the end of my tree. You can assume that this is s, these are the two branches, and then for a I have one branch. This is one tree. Okay, so next for this example I would take s as the root, then a a b. These are the branches that can be generated from this rule. Next, suppose this is terminal, fine. This is changed with the terminal and then b has been also changed. अब आपके पास ये दो टाइप के ट्रीज आ गए हैं. क्या आप सिंपली इन ट्री को देखकर बता सकते हो कि कौन सा ट्री बाइनरी ट्री है? और अगर वो बाइनरी ट्री है तो वो डेफिनेटली चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में है. Now can you tell that which grammar is in Chomsky normal form? Binary tree, guys. Binary means, okay, what are the properties of binary tree first? Just write it in a line. Binary tree के properties क्या हैं? Main properties. That it should have dash number of child nodes. That each node will have dash number of child nodes. How many? Yes, your binary tree, property of binary tree is that it should support how many branch nodes? Maximum how many child nodes are supported? ये तो बहुत इजी है. टू चाइल्ड नोड्स आर सपोर्टेड. ठीक है, अब आप अपने दोनों ग्रामर्स को देखिए. अब नाउ जस्ट लुक एट बोथ ऑफ दीज ग्रामर्स. इन विच ग्रामर? In grammar 1 or in grammar 2, where we are having two child nodes, at max two child nodes only, not more than two. In 1, yes, yes, Rohit, only in 1, because in s, if s is my node which is actually a root node, I am having two child nodes here, but in grammar 2 it is giving me three child nodes with it. So clearly I have to generate, I will try to generate a derivation tree for any string using this grammar, and then I will try to check those cases that whether it is creating more than two child nodes in any case or not? If not, then I will definitely say that this is in Chomsky normal form. Okay, clear? Clear, everyone? Now another question is, you guys know, okay, let me just change this grammar again. Now what I will do, now I have two type of grammars, 1 and 2. Tell me that which one is in Chomsky normal form. I know that first one is there, it is in the Chomsky normal form, but when I am going to check grammar 2, what about it? What about grammar 2, whether it is in Chomsky normal form, yes or no? Yes, some more answers, please.
यार यार आटा खराब हो गया बहुत सारा था जो मैंने दी तो कुछ था ना
हाँ जी,
उसे उसको फेंक
708 रोल नंबर, नेहा. Is this Neha or
कूलर पे रखा दे उसे
roll number 708? Please mute your mic. Anyways, okay. So we say, okay, we have an answer from Rohit that yes, ma'am. What about the rest? The rest of the students, please tell me that we know that this is what we have proved just now, that this grammar 1 is in Chomsky normal form. I have taken a similar type of grammar 2 here. Just tell me that whether it is in Chomsky normal form or not. Okay, and with this, Rohit, I just want to remind you one thing, that what are the different, we have four elimination rules for Chomsky normal form. Okay, can you please write those? We have four elimination rules for Chomsky normal form. What are those rules? The very first, you can check your presentations if you want, and then check, tell me. Four elimination rules are there.
मुझे हंसी आ रही किसने सुना नेहा मिंदे मानसी तरनदीप प्रियंका बरिंदर क्लिंटन
Roll number 708. Yes, roll number 708.
सॉरी मैम
Yes, please. What are those elimination rules? Write your answers, guys. This is not acceptable. Okay, lambda elimination rule, or I can see, if I talk about production, then null production elimination, और epsilon production elimination. करेक्ट है. द सेकेंड वन इज, सेकेंड में हम लोग क्या करते थे, जहां पर आपको कोई भी ऐसा प्रोडक्शन मिले डायरेक्ट, नॉन टर्मिनल टू नॉन टर्मिनल, दिस इज ऑफ टाइप यूनिट प्रोडक्शन. ट्राई टू रिकॉल प्लीज. करेक्ट है, यूनिट प्रोडक्शन है जहां पर आपके पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों साइड पे ये हो. Okay, then epsilon, mixed rule, long rule, and unit production I have already written. Yes, Pooja. Next is your mixed rule. Okay, mixed rule I want to remember, memorize you कि यहाँ पर क्या चीज आती थी, कि जब भी मेरे पास ऐसे वेरिएबल्स आ जाएं, ऐसे प्रोडक्शन रूल्स आ जाएं, where I am having a non terminal at the left side And to the right side of production rule, I am having more than one symbols. Okay, more than one symbols present there. That could be the combination of any terminal or non-terminal, or maybe two types of terminals there. Okay, whenever I am having the length of this production rule greater than 1, उस केसेस में हम लोग मिक्स्ड रूल जो है वो अप्लाई करते थे. नेक्स्ट वाज लॉन्ग रूल. Long rule was applied in those cases whenever we are having the length of production rule greater than 2. As an example, if I am having something like this, okay, then the rule clearly says if you are having greater than 2, then keep the first symbol as it is and generate a new rule with any name containing the rest of the string which is present there, or rest of the production rule which is present there. So this was the long rule with us. These were the 4 rules. Now just check this grammar too. Does it have a this grammar basically, first I have to check that whether it is producing a binary tree or not. Binary tree, it is producing a binary tree, so that means this is a in the Chomsky normal form. But along with the binary scale productions, I have to check one more thing, that whether all of these rules are being followed by this grammar or not. So this says that null production elimination, so that means that there should be no epsilon present in your grammar. So can we see an epsilon here? There is an epsilon rule present here. So that is why this grammar is not in Chomsky normal form. Okay? Clear? Okay, let me just change this example once again. Okay, now this is a grammar. Tell me that whether this is in Chomsky normal form using the binary tree method and then using these 4 rules. Tell me that in binary, is this in Chomsky normal form or not? Yes, please. You need a lot of practice in this, guys. आई डोंट नो कि आप लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हो या क्या है, बट आफ्टर एमएसटी योर रिस्पॉन्स इज वेरी लो. Yes, just tell me your answer in yes or no, whether this is in Chomsky normal form or not. Okay, let me just rephrase the question now. Unit production. Try to find a unit production in this grammar. Try to find a unit production in this grammar and just write it down in the comment section. Unit production. Quickly. ओके ठीक है। आप दोनों के आंसर अंकित एंड पूजा पार्शली करेक्ट हैं। एक बार हम लोग रिवाइज कर लेते हैं। यूनिट प्रोडक्शन का डेफिनेशन क्या है? यूनिट प्रोडक्शन सेज दैट ऑलवेज एक प्रोडक्शन रूल जो है उसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ऑलवेज एक नॉन टर्मिनल होगा। ठीक है, इट शुड स्टार्ट विद द नॉन टर्मिनल एंड ऑन टू द राइट साइड यूनिट प्रोडक्शन सेज दैट देयर शुड बी वन एंड ओनली वन सिंबल and that should be a non-terminal too. Okay, now write your correct answers. That there should be one and one only one symbol and that should be non-terminal only. Okay, yes Ankit, have you got this? Yes Rohit, very well. Always remember this. If the answer is written in this form, A corresponds to A. Check. This is of length 1, but is this a non-terminal or not? No. Lowercase a tells us that this is of terminal. Okay, this is terminal. That means this is not a part of unit production. Never. Okay, and also if we are writing something as this, so check the length here. The length is 2. Clearly this is not of unit production form. So as you have told me already in the answer that a is to b is a unit production, and in my 4 rules it is written that to eliminate unit production is necessary for a grammar to convert it into a Chomsky normal form. अगर आपको चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में, तो ज़रूरी है कि जितने भी एप्सिलन्स हैं वो सारे एलिमिनेट हो जाएं, रिमूव हो जाएं। ज़रूरी है अगर यूनिट प्रोडक्शंस हैं वहाँ पर वो सारे रिमूव हो जाएं। मिक्स्ड रूल्स और लॉन्ग रूल्स वो अलग बात है। ठीक है, तो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पर मुझे क्लियरली दिख रहा है एक यूनिट प्रोडक्शन, सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट इन चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म. Okay, yes. Now come the mixed rules. How can we detect that whether there is a mixed rule or not? अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सपोज आपको यहाँ पर ये गिवन है। अब देखिए, by the time we are solving the question, we are changing its form. First, our main concern was just about epsilon. We have just checked the epsilon. If it is there, then we have removed it. Just that. Then we move to length 1. You can check it. Here we are just talking about length 0, epsilon. Then we have moved to length 1. Okay. Now, in the next rule, we will move to length 2. We will talk about only those productions where you can see length 2. Clearly, length 2 is not here, length 2 is again not here, but I can see length 2 here. Okay, so yes, Pooja, yes, correct. Okay, but one more thing to you. एक आपने यहाँ पर गलती की है कि अगर अगर यहाँ पर मेरे पास एक ऐसा प्रोडक्शन होता, लेंथ 2, you have to check the length 2, but mixed rule says check for the length 2 if present, and you have to search for terminal. Always remember this thing, that search for terminal. We are not concerned for non-terminals in the mixed rule. Search for terminal in length 2 or more. I would say greater than 1. Okay, 2 or more. length should be 2 or more, and what our concern is to search for terminals there. Okay, so for this case, this mixed rule will not be applicable because I have searched for 2, but then I have to search for terminal. No terminal is there, that means no mixed rule is applicable. Now what if I just change the question to this? Okay, then we will go again to length 2 and check whether there is a terminal present or not. Yes, I found that terminal. Now what you have written, okay, this is also partially correct. Now what we will do, that for this terminal present I have to replace this terminal with, as you have written, TB, which corresponds to B. Okay, and similarly I have to replace it with over here also. Okay, and then if I came back and check for mixed rule, check for size greater than 2 or 2 here. So clearly this TB is, I would say, is in subscript actually. TB, this is together, so this is 1 and this is 2. So the size is 2, and if I check that whether these two are terminals or non-terminals, this is non-terminal, it is in capital letter, and this TB is having a production rule for it, and always a production rule is available for non-terminals only. So this will tell me that this is a non-terminal. So as I am having two non-terminals here, that means mixed rule has been clearly applied over it. All such type of productions has been removed. Clear everyone? So always remember this, that for mixed rule, go for the size 2 or greater than 2. Okay, and search for terminals only. Yes, I hope this is clear. Good. Now we came to the long rule. Long rule says that you are already done with those type of productions where you are having a terminal present and sizes 2 or more. Now we are still talking about size 3 or more, not particularly 2. We are talking about size 3 or more, and we are searching for 3 or more non terminals. Okay, अब क्या होगा? Now if I just take an example, that what if there is a case like this, that I have to go and check whether the size is more than 3 or not. Yes, it is. And whether these all of these are non terminals. Yes, they are. Then apply the long rule, and the long rule simply says that take the rest of the production non terminals except the first one. Okay, and change it with some another non terminal, and define a non terminal rule for this one. Okay, so हमारा clear intention है कि हमें हमेशा जो size है 2 से ज़्यादा जो है वो नहीं रखना। अगर 2 होगा तो 2 के अंदर टर्मिनल नॉन टर्मिनल का कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए। तो जब हमने इसे चेक किया, हमारे पास दोनों के दोनों क्या है, नॉन टर्मिनल, कोई भी टर्मिनल नहीं है, दैट मीन्स एक्सेप्टेड है। तो इसीलिए हम लोगों ने अपने सारे रूल्स जहाँ पर भी हमारे पास ज़्यादा नॉन टर्मिनल्स आ रहे थे, उन्हें एलिमिनेट करते करते हम लोगों ने 2 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया। एंड रिमेंबर दिस, ये जो हम 2 प्रोडक्शंस बना रहे हैं, दिस इज एक्चुअली लीडिंग अस टुवर्ड्स बाइनरी ट्री. So somewhere this production and the basic rule of Chomsky normal form, that it says कि जब भी Chomsky normal form create होगा, it will create a binary tree only. So वो चीज हम लोग यहाँ पर justify करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, again इसके लिए मैंने जब रिप्लेसमेंट किया तो मेरे पास एक नया रूल बना, फिर से आई विल चेक फॉर चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म दैट वेदर इट इज इन दैट फॉर्म और नॉट, लेकिन फिर से मुझे पता चला कि यहाँ पर लेंथ जो है वो हमें 3 मिल गई है. देन इफ यू हैव द लेंथ मोर देन 3 और 3, then apply the long rule says that keep the first one as it is and replace the rest with some another non-terminal. This non-terminal could be any, this is your wish. Okay, and define a specific rule for that. अब मेरे पास एक नया रूल यहाँ पर जनरेट हो गया है, बट दिस इज ऑफ साइज 2 ओनली विच इज एक्सेप्टेबल. So that means now this grammar that has been generated here, this is in Chomsky normal form. Because अगर आप यहाँ से भी ट्रीज बनाएंगे तो क्योंकि मेरे पास दो दो प्रोडक्शन रूल्स ही हैं, सो इट विल क्रिएट अ बाइनरी ट्री. मोर ओवर यहाँ पर कोई एप्सिलॉन नहीं है, कोई भी यूनिट प्रोडक्शन नहीं है, मेरे पास कॉम्बिनेशन में है, बट यूनिट प्रोडक्शन सेज दैट ओनली वन सिंबल एंड दैट शुड बी नॉन टर्मिनल, जो कि यहाँ पर नहीं है. मिक्स्ड रूल, टू और मोर साइज, टू और मोर साइज है हमारे पास, लेकिन कोई भी नॉन टर्मिनल नहीं है, सो दैट इज ओके. थ्री और मोर साइज एंड नॉन टर्मिनल, थ्री और मोर साइज का हमारे पास कोई भी प्रोडक्शन नहीं है, सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज इन चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म. Yes, clear everyone. Okay, we have just uh, decided to have this lecture ताकि हम इसका एक रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग कर सकें. पहले आपके पास ये सारे रूल्स प्रेजेंट होते थे, उसके थ्रू आप लोग ग्रामर को कन्वर्ट करते थे. नाउ द थिंग इज कि आपके पास ग्रामर गिवन है, आपको चेक करना है. एक रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग प्रोसेस हो गया, विच आई फील कि इससे कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो थोड़ा और क्लियर हो जाता है. ठीक है. So this is it with the Chomsky normal form. Now we will move to the quiz part. Okay. So I will just tell you that yes, in your browsers, please open menti.com, menti.com, and use this code quickly. Use this code to enter. And just give me a confirmation that are you able to enter there or not. And also in this particular slide I have given 2 to 3 examples. Okay, उसको practice कर लीजिएगा आप. I will share that presentation with you. Right now just open this and enter your code. Yes, we have 9 people here. Join in quickly, please. 15 participants are there, and in lecture I am having 55 people. Open www.menti.com, MENTI, and enter this code 7730792. Yes, quickly. अब आपके पास जो भी पेज आ रहा है वहीं पर वेट कीजिए। व्हेन आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर तब आपको क्वेश्चन जो है वो विजिबल होंगे। ओके, यस क्विकली, 22 पीपल आर हियर, जल्दी से ज्वाइन कीजिए प्लीज। वंस आई विल स्टार्ट दिस देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू ज्वाइन। I will wait till 10:13. It's 10:12 now. Okay, 10:13 already, 10:14. I will wait till 10:14. Quickly, join quickly. Then we will start it. Yes, good. 24. Okay, it's 10:14. I am just starting this quiz. जो बाकी के लोग हैं नेक्स्ट एक और क्विज है आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स। ठीक है, आप लोग वहां पर जो लोग रह गए हैं दे कैन ज्वाइन दैट वन। ओके, आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग इट। Okay, you have to tell which of these statement is true. 30 seconds are there. Give your answers now. Okay. So total 30 answers are there, out of which 20 are correct. So clearly everyone, regular language is also known as context free language. Never ever context free is known as regular, because context free में बहुत सारे ऐसे languages या strings आते हैं हमारे पास which are actually not regular. So regular language is actually a subset of context free language. That is why we say that regular is also known as context free. Good. Next question. Okay, we will just check the result board first. Okay, Navi is first, Radhika is second, and Vikas 59. Okay, 859 points. Vikas, 59 points. Vikas is the third one. Good. Next, 59 points. Vikas is the second. Okay, 859 points. Vikas is the third one. Good. Next, 59 points. Vikas is the third one. Good. Next, 59 points. Vikas is the third one. Good. Next, 59 points. Vikas is the third one. Good. Next, A language is given, you have 1 minute, you have to specify that this is of which type. Okay. Oh, very few right answers are there. So अब यहाँ पर आप लोग देख लीजिए. Yes, everyone, most of the people are voting for context free type. But listen, guys, zero is having total occurrences equal to वन. ठीक है. सो जीरो और वन की occurrences को इक्वल करने के लिए हम लोग स्टैक यूज करेंगे और उनसे जीरो और वन दोनों की occurrences सेम हो जाएंगी. बट दे आर सेइंग कि जो नेक्स्ट जीरो है इसके occurrences भी सेम होने चाहिए. तो साइमल्टेनियसली तीन नंबर्स जो कि सेम occurrences लेके आए, ये हमें कभी भी कंटेक्स्ट फ्री टाइप में नहीं मिलता. क्यों? क्योंकि कंटेक्स्ट फ्री में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक मेमोरी स्पेस, एक स्टैक ही आपको अलाउड है. ओके. सो दिस इज ये ना ही रेगुलर है ना ही कंटेक्स्ट फ्री है. दिस इज ऑफ द थर्ड टाइप. ओके. Okay, the scoreboard has been totally changed. Dayarani is first, Rohit is second with the fastest answer, and Vikas has maintained his position to third one. Next question. 2 minutes are there. Sorry, 1.5 minute is there. Take your time and then answer. Take your time and then answer. Okay, last 15 seconds. Okay, so maximum people have given the right answer. तो हमें इस ग्रामर से बेसिकली पता चल रहा है कि बेसिकली जब भी एस इन दो फॉर्म्स में चेंज होगा, तो जब भी जीरो आएगा उसके कंपेटिटिव एक वन आ जाएगा, जब भी वन आएगा उसके कंपेटिटिव एक जीरो आ जाएगा. So the number of ones we have, the equal number of zeros we can have in our string. So equal number of zeros and ones is the correct answer. Next question. Okay, the scoreboard is as now Vikas is at first, Radhika second, and Neelam is at The third position. Okay, let's just start. Which of the following statement is false? 1 minute is there. So guys, in derivation tree, the label of each leaf node, we know that whenever we need to stop a tree, we check that the leaf node is present there, and every time using that grammar, that leaf node is a terminal, not those trees. यहाँ पर लिखा है कि the label of all the nodes except leaf node, that means your intermediate nodes, your internal nodes, they are always non terminals, और जो leaf nodes हैं they are always terminals. So work on this, try to revise it. Okay, now the scoreboard is Radhika is at first, and 735 roll number and Arshdeep is at third. They have both of them have given the fastest answer in this question. Good. Next question. A grammar is given and you have to write which of these productions is right. 2 minutes हैं आपके पास. Take your time and then answer. This means 0 raised to the power n, 1 raised to the power n, and for different values of n. 2 minutes are there. Okay. No, this is not a regular language first of all. Regular तो नहीं है. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ पर इस टाइप के ग्रामर में जितने आपके पास जीरोज हैं उतने ही नंबर ऑफ वंस हैं. तो मेमोरी स्पेस यूज हो रहा है तो क्लियरली रेगुलर नहीं है. ये इन दोनों फॉर्म्स में होगा 0 रेज टू द पावर n एंड 1 रेज टू द पावर n. बट द क्वेश्चन इज कि n की वैल्यू 0 एक्सेप्टेबल है या नहीं. इट इज एक्सेप्टेबल बिकॉज यहाँ पर मेरे पास एक रूल है s इज टू एप्साइलन. अगर डायरेक्ट s इज टू एप्साइलन कर देते हैं तो दैट मीन्स एप्साइलन स्ट्रिंग इज ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल. दैट इज वाई n इज इक्वल्स टू 0 is the answer. Okay, now the final scoreboard for this quiz. Now we have another quiz with some more 5 questions. Okay, Radhika is at the first position, and then 735 roll number, and then Arshdeep. So good, Radhika. Okay, and in the previous question, Neelam has given the fast answer. ओके, किसी को इन क्वेश्चंस में कोई डाउट हो तो? ओके, गरिमा, leaf nodes are terminals are true. We need to find the wrong answer. Okay, 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 okay. Let me just check that. Okay, yes, there is this mistake in this question. It should be that which of the following statement is true, or else this second one is correct. Okay, okay, okay. Yes. Okay, now we shall just move to the next quiz. Yes, please again open www.menti.com and use this code 3669865. Quickly, quickly. We will take this just another 5 to 7 minutes and then we will finish this. There are only 5 questions in this. Yes, 28 people are there. I will wait till 10:31 only and then I will start. Join quickly. 31 people. Thirty-two, 33. Okay, it's 10:31. Let's just start it. First question. 45 seconds are there. No. So क्लियरली कंटेक्स्ट सेंसिटिव तो नहीं है। जितने भी चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म कन्वर्जन्स होते हैं दे आर अप्लाइड फॉर कंटेक्स्ट फ्री टाइप ओनली। Okay, Shashank is at first, and then we have Mansi, and then Ankit Kumar. And Shashank has given fastest answer. Next one. Given a grammar, and you have to tell that which of the following production denies the format of Chomsky normal form. Okay, so only 5 people have given the right answer. So clearly आप देख सकते हो कि AS conversion size is 2 and both of them are non-terminal acceptable है, 1 नहीं है. If we move towards 2, 3 size है हमारे पास and all are non-terminals. Long rule apply होगा यहाँ पर इसे convert करने के लिए. So this denies the format of Chomsky normal form. Again, A is to SA acceptable है and 4 is to AA. हमने देखना है कि लेंथ इज 2 और नॉट, एंड देन वी हैव टू चेक दैट वेदर देयर इज एनी terminal present or not. The third rule, mixed rule, will be applied to solve this. So 2 and 4 is the right answer. Okay, the new scoreboard is at Lavi is at first, and then 748 roll number, and then Chandragupta. Good. Next, third question. Which of the production rule can be accepted by Chomsky grammar? दो रूल्स गिवन है आपके पास. विच ऑफ दीज इज एक्सेप्टेड इन चॉम्स्की ग्रामर फॉर्म? बहुत इजी है ये. यस, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बोथ ऑफ द मेंशन्ड. अगर आपके पास एक प्रोडक्शन है विद नॉन टर्मिनल एक्सेप्टेबल है बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट यूनिट, एंड with two size and both are non-terminal, this is also acceptable. So both of the mentioned is the correct answer. Now the scoreboard is, okay, we have a surprise. Ruchi is at first, and Young is written. I don't know what is the name. And then Rahul. Rahul is at the third position. Last second question. A grammar is given, and you have to find how many unit productions are there. 1 minute of time. Last 10 seconds. Good. So two unit productions are here. One is A to A and then another one is B to A. These are the two unit productions. Okay, and the results are okay. Ruchi has maintained her position, and the second one is Jaspreet, and third is Lavi with the fastest answer too. Good. Last question. Okay. We want to convert it into Chomsky form. Which of the following rules will be applicable? 1 minute is there. Okay, last 20 seconds. How can we apply epsilon rule here? Can we see any epsilon? No. Long rule is applicable because I am having more than 3 non-terminals in a row. Okay, then leaderboard says, okay, good. Navi is at first position, and then Mansi, and then Pooja is at the third position. Oh, yes, good. So, congratulations. Yes, yes, we will just take the attendance now and then you guys can leave. Okay, so that's it with the module 4. In the coming lecture, we will start with the new module with push down automatas. Okay, thank you.